Morning guys, just thought I'd jump on and do a little video. An easy ombre and some glitter, just quite a simple, easy design for anybody that wants to try it. So here I'm using gellifique and it's Tiffany number 2. I'm just going to get the bottom of that done. And on the top I'm going to use Lolita. Just got to move this up a wee bit guys, so I'm not hitting it. Try to get a wee few dabs. Put it in for 30 seconds. While that's loading, you know what I mean, curing. I'm just going to go back in and fill this up. Right, here we go again. Now also when I'm getting towards the bottom of the blue, I'm just using the blue part. And the same with the top of the pink. I just find doing ombre with a sponge is a lot easier. Right, I'm just going to quickly... sugar. Right, dip this in acrylic. Maybe not. Should have thought about this, eh? It's got messed it on. That one back into cure. Doesn't want to stay in the day. Just get rid of the acrylic off there. And got it going for one last coat. So load this up with blue again. Pink. That's a bit better. Put it back in. 30 seconds. Oh, I'm dropping everything the day. I'm just got to close these up. Right, here I've got gliterbels. This is called Popping Candy. I think the reason why I got this was because it reminds me of the sweetest popping candy. I'm absolutely in love with it. It's a mix of blue and pink. It is lovely. So here's this part. And we've got a top coat. it back in for 30 seconds. Nothing really looks to my machinery. Just get this brush ready. So the next brush I'm going to use is just a simple wee gel brush. Take this out. Clean up that wee bit of pink there. If we can. Look, I'll get there. Right. So, the next brush I'm going to do is that one. I'm just going to come back in with the top coat. Just put a wee spot on the side of my palette. Right, all I'm going to do is dip my brush in the top coat and do a nice squiggly line down. Okay, so I've dipped in the top coat, nice squiggly brush down. Just gotta be clean. And I'm just grabbing my wee dust tray. Right, so here's my wee dust tray. Just got to stick that on top. And we will just wing it. Let's wing it, see what we get. Right, so we'll just tap off, tap off. We've got to cure it for 30 seconds if it stays in. Clear up all the mess I've made. Wouldn't like me if I didn't make a mess. Right, bring that back out. So we have our glitter on top, as you can see. And we've just got to come in with a hard brush and take any excess glitter off, because the rest should be stuck. Okay. Now to get a nice flat, even surface, I like to come in with a pot of gel at this stage. Now according to the gel, this guidelines, this one takes 2 minutes to cure. Come in with my gel brush. I'm just going to start at the top. Push it up, make sure it's hitting all the sides. And I'm just working side to side. Just pulling down any excess. This gel's quite good because you can sort of see where you've missed and where you've hit on the sides. But I just like to go over them anyway because obviously we've got a file anyway, so just get that wee bit of pink colour, put it back down. Push that back down, that's fine. Just push that bit on. Just take that bit off. No air balls, so I'm quite happy with that. So we're going to put that in. I've got to cure it for 2 minutes while I get cleaned up. Roxy, enough. Every time I go to a video, I'm seriously just thinking about, oh, I don't know, running away, getting a log cabin somewhere and doing videos from the log cabin. Oh, it does sound nice, doesn't it? I've got glitter absolutely everywhere. It's obviously nobody for me because if it's for me, she'd be barking a lot worse. So what are you guys up to today? Anything special planned? Anything nice? I haven't got anything planned. Apart from maybe doing another video later on tonight. Or I might go live if anybody's interested. Just let me know down below in the comments. And I'm away to see Mia very shortly. So I'm excited and can't wait. Not seen her for a week or so. Just because I've been quite poorly. Got my file ready for it coming out. Here we go. Right, before I go any further, you want to go over the inhibition layer, the sticky tacky layer, with gel residue remover. I use Nail Nails gel residue remover. I really like this one. That's the one I use. Right, let's go on with this. Now, the last time I done this, I actually broke the bit off at the top. So I'm trying to be as careful as possible. Make sure I've got it as flat as possible on the surface. Sorry guys, I know my camera's shaking. I was probably out of focus there. I keep forgetting about it sometimes. Right. I'm just going to get a wee quick wipe over. And let's get some taupe coat on this bad boy. This is a gellifique top coat as well, to go with the gellifique range. Just got to put that in for 30 seconds and I'll show you the bottle. So this is a microcrystal top coat. And I swear, I absolutely love these products. Gellifique are free from MMA. Their products are all free HEMA. MMA. Their foil glue is fantastic. The only problem with Gellifique is that they only sell to nail tech users. So you've got to have a qualification to get it. But other than that, look how beautiful this is. Now how 3D does that look? It really stands out. It's really effective in design. You can see the pinks in there, you can see the blues in there, you can see a bit of silver in there. It's amazing. Thanks for watching.